Hello friends, my Rajnigandha plant, I have removed it. Still it has a bud spike. See the bulbs which are intact. All these are harvested bulbs. The bulbs are so big, they are about 4 inch in diameter. See the size of the bulbs. This bulb. You might have not seen such big Rajnigandha bulbs. This year I have got very good harvest of flowers from my Rajnigandha. I got a secret fertilizer which is I used to put in liquid form about 15 days interval, and this fertilizer resulted in very good harvest. All these bulbs which are placed here, all these bulbs are from 3 plants, or you can say from 3 pots, and all these bulbs are bigger one. Other than this, about 50 bulbs from each pot I have selected for throwing. They are smaller than these, and I will sow these bulbs in the month of March, so that I will get flowers from July or in the season of monsoon. So just I want to have a look of my bulbs which are harvested from 3 pots only, and it's a very good crop. Still my plant is having one spike, but it is removed and it is kept for drying in storeroom. These are smaller bulbs. These bulbs are smaller, and all these are discarded. You can have a look of smaller bulbs also. These are smaller bulbs which were kept for throwing, because I don't have so much space to sow all these bulbs. It requires about 1 acre field to plant all these bulbs separately. So better I have selected only the one which are very good, very big in size, and you can have a look. They are very good. They are having small bulbs also intact, but the main bulb is very big and healthy. So I will sow only these bulbs. The one which is damaged from the lower side, I put a fungicide paste on this so as to avoid it rotting. So when you dig your Rajnigandha bulbs, take care that if they are damaged, you can put paste of fungicide to keep them healthy. Have a look of this bulb. And this bunch is also having very big bulbs. See, very big bulbs. I just removed this plant, so when it will dry, I will remove all the bulbs. It also has very big bulbs. This plant yielded 8 flowers, and one is still intact. So friends, you also harvest your bulbs right now and keep them for a month in shade, and then pot it in the month of March. Thank you.